In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create the ultimate meal plan that's personalized exactly to your needs. Now, if you just want to use this for yourself personally, maybe you have a couple different goals this year that include maybe getting a little bit healthier or losing a little bit of weight, this is an excellent tool for you. But also, if you're a business owner that works with clients in the fitness or nutrition space, this is going to be the ultimate lead magnet. So this is going to personalize a meal plan for 7 days based on your client's needs or your personal needs. So I'm not here to waste your time, so let's just get into it. If you're looking for cool ways to integrate AI into your business or your personal life, you can follow my channel, like and subscribe and all of that if you want to. It would be cool of you. So let's see what I did. So I am 7 weeks postpartum, and obviously getting back into the gym is on my mind and maybe losing a little bit of weight. So I was trying to figure out how I could incorporate this current phase of my life into my interests, which is AI, obviously. So I came up with this and I think it's really neat. So here's what I have done. Now, we're going to use a system called make.com. And if you're not familiar with make.com, it's basically a system that allows a bunch of different websites or programs to work together to create an automation that is going to perform actions on your behalf. So it's a great automation tool, my absolute favorite, and I think it's really neat. So if you have never used it, I linked it down here in the bio or the description for you to get started. So when you log into your make.com account, you're going to have the option to create a new scenario. So the first thing that we're going to do is give our scenario a name. So we're going to call it a personalized meal plan. The next thing that you're going to have to do is select your first module. So the first module in this scenario is going to be a tally form, and we're going to select watch for new responses. So basically, Tally is a website that allows you to create forms online for free. So these forms can be variable. I'm going to show that to you in a second. And every single time somebody, our ideal client, comes to our Tally form and fills it out, it's going to create a trigger so that this scenario runs. This automation is going to be extremely useful as a lead magnet for somebody who works in the fitness or health industry. So what we're going to need to do is create a unique intake form so that your clients have somewhere to go to fill out their personal information. Because remember, this automation is going to deliver a personalized meal plan. This isn't going to be generic. They're literally going to enter in all of their personal information regarding their body weight, eating preferences, their allergies even, and it's going to produce a 7-day meal plan that's perfectly tailored to them. So you can imagine the value that this is going to have for your clients. It's not one thing to just say, hey, here's a general weight loss food plan. You're going to be able to tailor it exactly to them. So this is what you're going to need to do. You're going to have to create a new form in Tally. I've already created one here, you can see, but I did want to show you very quickly how easy Tally is to use. So simply click new form. Then you can name it. We're going to just name it something, meal plan, whatever, and enter from scratch. So if you hit the plus button, you can see a bunch of different options for your intake form. So a short answer, for instance, you could use name, and then they can fill out their name. And then you could do a different one that would be like a multi-select. So what type of food preferences do they have, or dietary restrictions, or if you need some information for contacts, you could put phone numbers and whatever. So on the Tally form, because ultimately at the end of this scenario, we're going to want to email your clients. So you definitely need to include email, but I'm not going to create a whole new form. I'm just going to show you the one that I already made for simplicity. So this video isn't a million hours long because I spent a lot of time working on this already. All right, so I'll show you what it looks like. So we have what's your age. It's important that we have their age because if we're going to be calculating what their specific calorie needs are, we need to know how old they are. What's your name? This is going to allow us to personalize our email that we send to them. So it's very important that we include that. So what's your gender? Make sure that you make it inclusive. What's your weight? It's very important that for our next step, which is going to be actually calculating what their calorie intake needs are, is that they put in their specific, like if they're using pounds or kilograms. So what's the height? Same thing, need to be specific with the unit. So then we need to ask them what their activity level is. Then we're going to discuss what their goals are. So people can have very vast goals when it comes to their fitness or their health. So we have a couple different options here, like weight loss, maintain your current weight, extreme weight loss, often under the medical supervision, you don't want to encourage people to lose a lot of weight, but maybe somebody needs that for a wedding or whatever. Reduce your cholesterol, manage diabetes, feed a picky toddler. This could even work for a mom who is struggling to put together a meal plan for their toddler who doesn't eat anything, which is literally me. So it's going to be able to personalize the calorie needs of even a toddler. If they fill out this form, specific to their child. So boost your energy levels. Anyway, you get the idea. So I have a lot of different options here for what their overall goal might be. And the plan is literally going to personalize it to what they select, which is so awesome. So do you have any dietary preferences or restrictions? So maybe they're vegan, maybe they're vegetarian, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Maybe they work out a lot and they need a high protein diet. So this is they can select multiple on this. So it's going to specify based on their goals that they select here and based on their dietary restrictions, et cetera. So this is what it's going to look like on the client-facing side. So once we've personalized our tally form, we're going to have a personalized calorie intake and meal planning form. So what's your age, blah, blah, blah. The client can fill all of this out. It's super easy to use, very intuitive. And you're simply going to take the tally link and you're going to put that as your link in bio. So you'll make content about fitness or healthy eating and you're going to tell them, hey, we're going to have a link in bio if you guys want a personalized 7-day meal plan. And before you can deliver their meal plan, you're going to have to collect their email, which is going to increase your email subscribers so that when you do have a paid offer, they're going to remember, hey, that personalized 7-day meal plan was really cool and they delivered me a lot of value. So they're going to be way more likely to take action on your purchase or on your call to action when it's time to exchange funds. So the way that sales often works is reciprocation. If you give your clients something of super high value, like I'm showing you here with this free 7-day personalized meal plan, they're more likely to say yes when you ask them to reciprocate in the form of a payment. So that's the whole point on this. And here's what your intake form looks like. Great. So you're going to put this in your link in bio so that every single time somebody goes to your link in bio and they fill out your tally form, they're going to be sent to this automation. And this is all going to happen in the background. They're not going to see any of this. So after our tally form is personalized, we are going to put a ChatGPT module after this that's going to actually decide and do the mathematical calculations on what their calorie intakes are based on their goals. So the first thing you have to do is add your tally account. So make sure that you've linked it in your make.com, and then here it should pre-populate your form. So personalized calorie intake and meal planning. Great. So now that your clients have input all of their personal information, including their goals and their height and their weight and stuff, we can actually calculate how many calories a day that they should be eating and design and formulate a specific meal plan for them based on that. But it would be very time consuming for you to have to go through every single submission on your tally form and create a personalized meal plan for every single one of the people that click the link in bio, which is why this automation is so amazing. So the next thing that we have to do is select add a module. We're going to be putting in a ChatGPT module. So ChatGPT, as we know, is so powerful, especially if you know how to prompt it correctly. So we're going to open the ChatGPT. We're going to create a completion, and then you're going to have to link your ChatGPT account to make.com. And if you've never done that before, I have a tutorial and I've linked it below in the description for you. It's super easy if you know what to do, which is why I made the tutorial. So the next thing that we're going to do is select the model that we want to answer this prompt for us. And 4.0 is usually good enough. It also doesn't take as many credits as something that would be a little bit smarter, like 0.1 or 0.1 or whatever they're calling it these days. So we're going to add a message. The role is going to be user, and the text content is where you're going to put your prompt. Now, this is where it gets complicated and why this prompt is unique and super valuable, because I spent 1 billion hours creating the prompt that actually produces the output that we need here. So I have saved that over here, and I'm going to walk you through the prompt. So prompt engineering is the important part of using AI. AI is great and all, but if you can't prompt it, it's pretty useless. So we're going to tell it, you are a health and fitness assistant. Please calculate the daily calorie needs for an individual using the blah, 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 blah equation. I actually did the research using ChatGPT to find out what this equation is called. So we're going to include that in our prompt. And explain the results in a clear and simple way for a beginner to understand. So here are the details. And as you can see here, this is going to be where we input the specific fields that our clients input in the tally field. So do not include these responses, convert there's a lot of specific stuff in here that I don't really want to get into because it's very long-winded, and I have just provided you guys with this exact prompt in the description below to save you a million hours, because it is, as you can see, quite specific. So next, we're going to just copy and paste this, and we're going to input it into our make.com scenario. So copy and paste. Now, this is where it's really important that you go back and you personalize this to your tally form. So as you can see here, we have selected all the inputs. So what is their age? Great. We're going to enter in over here. You can see what is your age. Click. So now the prompt is going to be personalized to that tally field. So if your client put that they're 35, well, now it's going to show that it's 35, and the ChatGPT is going to specifically calculate for somebody that's 35 years old. And if your next client comes along and they say they're 65, it's going to do the same thing. So you're going to want to go in and make sure that your tally field is all linked up. So what is their gender? Click. Great. So what is their height? Where is that? Great. So that's exactly what we're going to do in this field. And as you can see here, all of that complicated prompt information has been entered. Great. So as you go along, it's super important for you to save and name. Save and name, because make.com does not save as you go. And I have worked for hours on a scenario and lost it completely because I forgot to save. So you're also going to want to name your modules. This is going to make it simpler for you to keep track of what's doing what. So this is where we're going to do calorie calculation. Calorie calculation. Great. So the next one after this is going to be another ChatGPT bubble. So this ChatGPT bubble is going to have a different purpose. The purpose of this one is actually going to be able to take the calorie calculation that we did in the previous module and create a meal plan that is specific to your client. So again, we're going to select the model 40, that's fine. And we're going to essentially do the exact same steps that we did before. We're going to add a message, we're going to put the user, and the text content is going to be a different prompt that I spent a billion hours creating. So this one is a little different. So the role, you're the world's best meal planning assistant. The task, you're going to create a 7-day personalized meal plan. Each day must include breakfast, lunch, and dinner, etc. You're going to be able to provide a consolidated shopping list. So we want to make sure that our users or our clients that fill out our tally form not only have a personalized meal plan, but we also want to give them a shopping list so that this is an all-around extremely useful tool for them. The next thing that we are going to get into down here is, as you can see, the final deliverable format looks like an HTML code. And the reason that I had to do it this way is because the final deliverable is actually an email. And if you don't use HTML code, your email is going to look completely jumbled and totally ridiculous. So I have no idea how to code stuff. I just asked ChatGPT to code the email in HTML format for me. So you can see here, if you get really into it, so the title is 7-day meal plan. And then here is your personalized meal plan and shopping guide. So this is all the text format that's going to be in the actual email, and all of this complicated coding language is just essentially going to make sure that our formatting is correct. And again, I have included this prompt for you down below so that you don't have to really think about all of this, but it is good to know if you're ever going to freestyle and create your own make.com scenarios. So again, we're going to copy and paste that into our next bubble. So we'll go over here, copy and paste it, copy and paste. Great. So let's review. So our very first module is our tally form, which we personalize over here with all of their dietary preferences, etc. The next one is your daily calorie calculation module. So this is going to take all the information that they put in here and give them a specific output for how many calories they need to eat every day, which is actually going to be what provides them the results if they follow your meal plan. And then the weekly meal plan personalization is our next GPT bubble. And last but not least, we are going to send your clients an email with their personalized meal plan. So you're going to make the next module be Gmail. So Gmail, you can select and get it to send an email. And what you're going to have to do is connect your Gmail account. And then the email address field here is going to be from your tally form. Remember how we included their email? So you simply just go down here and find what's your email address and select that. So it's going to be sending the email directly to their email that they provided you. Then the next thing, you're going to create a subject line. So your personalized meal plan and shopping list sounds good to me. And then the content of that email is going to be the weekly meal plan personalization ChatGPT module. And you're going to go down here and select the result. So this is going to be the email. And that's it. Okay. So now we need to make sure that this is actually working. So to test this, we actually have to go in and fill out the form. So we're going to hit run once, and the tally form is just going to wait and see until we fill out the details. So I'm going to go to the top of our intake form. I'm going to refresh it to make sure that it's the latest one. So I'm 35. My name is Erin. I'm a girl, and my weight currently is around 153. My height is 5'7" or 171 centimeters. My activity level would be moderately active. My goal right now is weight loss. I do not really have any dietary preferences or restrictions except for the fact that I want to eat high protein. Next, I'm going to say I eat 3 meals a day if I have time with the kids, and then I'm going to put in my email address, and hopefully we're going to hit calculate and I'm going to get an email. So let's go see. Calculate. So as you can see here, our tally form gets the information, it's sent it to our ChatGPT bubble, and now this ChatGPT bubble is writing our personalized meal plan. So it's going to send over this meal plan over to Gmail, and hopefully it's going to send me a properly formatted, super useful lead magnet. So now we'll wait and see. Rafferty sent you this 7-day personalized meal plan. Let's go see it. So here's your 7-day personalized meal plan and shopping guide. So day 1, scrambled eggs, spinach, and it shows me the calories. Lunch shows me this. And as you can see here, this is personalized and it specifies my goal, and it designed a 7-day meal plan that is perfectly tailored to me. And I just think that this is really, really cool. And down here, the consolidated shopping list, so I could just bring this directly with me to the grocery store and I'll have everything. And down here, you can personalize this to however you want and include your contact details. So they always know who provided them this really useful tool. And you could get really specific. It's just a matter of changing your prompt a little bit. You could include macros here and really anything that you want as long as you're willing to tweak your prompt. So now we can go back to our make.com and we can just let this run forever. So you can make short form video content that tells people to go try out your 7-day personalized meal plan and collect emails as you go. And remember what I told you earlier, if you provide something of super value to your clients, they are going to be more likely to reciprocate when you ask them to buy something. And a lead magnet like this that's personalized to them is something that they've never seen before. And it's going to appear to them that you took a ton of time to sit down and personalize a plan directly for them, but actually it didn't take you any time at all because this automation did all of that for you automatically. So that's pretty epic. So like I promised you at the beginning of the video, now you have a personalized meal plan automation that is going to be great for your personal use. I'm personally going to be sending myself a weekly automation so that I know what to go buy at the grocery store. But if you're working in the fitness or the educational space when it comes to nutrition and wellness, this is an amazing lead magnet for people. So I hope you found this helpful. And as I told you like a million times already in this video, make.com is linked below because you will need to use it. Tally is also linked, and the prompts for ChatGPT to make this all work are also going to be down in the description. So leave me a comment if you thought that this was cool or helpful, and I'll try to help you if you get stuck. So let me know that too. And of course, if you could like and subscribe, that would be awesome. See you later.